vehicle? Check out 2017 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, power driver seat, leather shift knob. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.